Okay, let's get started with our fish. So I've got a couple of nice salmon steaks here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut it up into pieces. There's going to be a few pin bones in there, so be careful. Try and get out as many as you can. Let me do that now, right now. Okay, so you saw me with the fish. I've just cut that up into nice little bits there. Like I say, there might be some bones in there, pin bones. There's not going to be many, but there might be a few, so just be careful. Pasta of your choice. I'm using this Tagliatelle. Cream, 250 ml of cream. Now, always gets asked this question. What type of cream is it? It doesn't matter. This is a thick cooking cream. You can use a single or runny cream. It's all going to work out just the same. 1 onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, some black olives. I'm using some beautiful Kalamatas, my favorite olives these are, just chopped. Tablespoon of oregano. We're going to start this off with some olive oil and butter. Add some salt and pepper. This is really, really simple, but delicious. Okay, so we're here at the cooker. I'm going to drop in a little bit of olive oil and some butter. I'm just going to melt that down fairly gently. We want to kind of about just under a medium heat. See you in a few minutes. Okay, so just melted those two down together there. Simply we're going to drop in our salmon pieces. I'm also going to add our garlic now. Medium heat, about 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, looking beautiful. What I'm going to do now is get the salmon out. Now don't worry if it's not cooked all the way through, because we're still going to do a bit more cooking with it. It will cook really quickly actually. I'm going to get now in our onion. Very simply, medium heat, about 4 minutes. See you then. So a little bit of colour on the onions. Now I'm going to drop in those olives, which are completely optional actually, but I think they're fantastic in there. We're going to put some salt. We're going to hit this with some black pepper. And I'm going to add the oregano. Now I'm using oregano, but you could use a different dried herb if you want. Thyme, rosemary, marjoram, tarragon, basil, up to you. Just 2 more minutes now, moving it all the time. We're nearly on our way here, nearly done. Fabulous. What we're going to do now is reintroduce our salmon. We're going to add our cream, and like I said, it doesn't matter if you use a thick or a thin cream, that's entirely up to you. This is about 250 ml. Again on this medium heat, 2 minutes, moving it all the time. Only one more thing to do, and that is to get our pasta in there, and this is done. Delicious. Next up, pasta of choice for me, tagliatelle. In that goes. 2 spoons now this time, and this is going to work with the heat on medium. Work the sauce in, on and around all of our pasta. Check it for salt, check it for pepper. This is a beauty. I'll see you at the table. And there you go, super easy that, and delicious. Just put a little bit of parsley on the top there, or around the edge. If you wanted, you can get some cheese in that, but cheese and fish, not so great for me, but if you wanted, you could get some Parmesan in or on that. Let's make a little salad for that one. But yeah, that's delicious. Done. Beautiful. Okay, so we're going to make a really super easy salad. What I've done is got 2 tomatoes, sliced them, laid them in the bottom of that dish. Some white onion rings, just cut them into rings. You can chop it if you want. Laid them down. Few little green olives. Some olive oil. A little bit of, well, up to you really, balsamic vinegar. Little bit of salt. Some black pepper. And I am super, super happy. So we've got a really easy salad to go with our really super easy and beautiful salmon pasta. Wow. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those 3 things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.